exciting, folks. These two guys are all right, now they're positions out here out there right side. Paul's coming back down the line. He's got the smoke. He's got the fire. Let's watch out here, folks. Oh, man, his mate's coming right back out his midfield, folks. Look at this. I'll tell you what, I'd check the bottom of the airplane and see if it's got some scorch marks on it. Don't melt the plexiglass in his canopy, Paul. All right, he hammerheads out there off the left side. He's coming back. Paul Stender is just, oh, man, he's got him in his rearview mirror. Bang is coming right at him, folks. Right at the mirror. Whoa, is he taking that thing and beating? Now Spain rolls out there off that right side. Paul Stender is repositioning in the right end zone. Let's take a look. Here we go. All right, looks like Paul is lining him up. Therese is setting up. She's making the final checks out here. She's saying, boys, we are getting ready for a race. She'll be the official starter out there.